morning, teacher! Hey, what's up guys? It's AJ and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And now, corny kayo ni siya, pero back to school haul ka. Okay, sa mga viewers dyan, this back to school haul is for poor kids edition. I mean, wala kayo kung ipalit, promise. This video is not for bragging all the things that I bought, pero muna ni siya akong ginagamit sa school, especially kay Yumso. So medyo tricky siya. Pag sugod na ta, so naday tayo pa si Mayor dali, na pa Christmas light kay doon ninyo uncle. For the first one, naman, for UM Peeps, University of Mindanao, so wala may uniform. So wala ko bang maipakita sa inyo ang uniform na black shoes. I have this bag. Actually last year lang siya na bag, so dili siya haul. Pero muna siya yung bag last year. Nagbuo ata Japanese siya akong namigo. And wala pa siya na lab. Napa siya panyo. Ganun na yung charger dali. John Sport bag since last year. For the next one, I bought some socks. For the next one, the most awaited part of the back to school haul. So I have these notebooks. So I shop from NBS. This NBS. Social na kayo dito. Sa SM department store. So I have this Limelight notebooks. This. Actually mag-binder dapat ko guys. Pero nangawala ko notes last year. Ambot ako magamit ditanan pero muna siya akong kitanin. So Bisaya din na back to school haul. So mga Tagalog dyan, hi sa inyo. I'll be putting up some subtitles if I can. This is Limelight. It's only for 34.75 pesos. When exams coming, so I have this reviewer. Parang reviewer notebook ko siya. This type of notebook, yung mga ganito. Yung yellow, yung mga something. So it's only for 129.75 pesos. And for research, of course, I have this. Kasi tawag brown folders. Especially for UM students. For senior high, of course. For senior high students. Parasite ko ani. Kabalo na mo sa to, di ba? Yellow paper. Parasite shoot ko ba sa nga ni wala jud ko yellow paper sa akong kinabuhi. Kailangan jud kay yellow paper sa kinabuhi sa senior high students, di ba? Like if you agree. Subscribe if you agree. And it's for 28.75 pesos only. I've got this two Pilot ball pens. This G-Tech. Yeah, that one. G-Tech .3 ball pen and this erasable ball pen. Kinisya ka tag. Hal kayo. Ipalik ko sa paper 3. 72.75. And this 82.75 pesos. And I've got these cool markers right here. It's Sharpie. Yeah, Sharpie. 6 na siya kabuo and it's only for 250 pesos. For the next one guys, I have this dozens of ball pens. Abot akong dozen ba nito? Basta mga 10 ni siya. It's Titus. And napalit ko na siya sa sa paper tree. So I really recommend paper tree for you guys sa mga wala pa nakapalit eh. Barato lang dun. And it's only for 5 pesos. And daga na siya classic. And I really like this type of ball pens for review purposes. And speaking of review, this highlighters sa Unitap. And upat ni siya kabok so nasa mga dang duha. Anong pink yung gata sa ako. Pero ito ko nag-pink. So it's only for 26.75. Pero I joke, hindi siya 26. 45 din siya. Yeah, 45 pesos. Highlighter markers. Upat na siya ng buhok. And it's really affordable, guys. Nag-highlight pa ka. And of course, I bought some things na medyo gusto ko if I have the free time. Black calligraphy pad. So I'll be using some, of course, metallic. Lain sa kanang color yung makitaan. So I have this Pilot Gold marker here. It's only for 77 pesos sa paper tissue po siya. Yeah, that one. And I have this brush pen. Wala namang gawin black. Actually, din ako siya gamitin para delicate. Hindi siya maklaro. Ganyan. That one. That brush pen. So, platinum brush. I bought this at National Bookstore. So, that will be it. Thank you for watching the whole video, guys. If you have some suggestions, please comment down below. Kaya wala pa ko naman of school supplies. Especially for UM students right there, University of Mindanao people. Kailangan kaya ko inyong advice kasi nakukuha kulang ko yung mga sabi nito mga professors. Makaulbukas pa. Pero butod kasi sila. So thank you for watching the whole video again, guys. Please click the subscribe button below and click that notification button para ma-update ko sa mga videos ko. And this will be the most epic back to school haul, I think. Gawin ko na ginarong because I am so bored. Kabalo ba mo? Hindi ko katulog. So nag-back to school haul. So hindi mo ko fun. Sige na lang. So it's already 1:21. So that will be it. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you soon.